Hello, welcome back to iAutoAgent. Today we are very pleased to show you this 2007 Ford Edge SEL. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away. And there's nothing that jumps out. This vehicle has 187,000 miles on it, and I will be showing you anything that's out of the ordinary for 187,000 miles. But first, let's take a look at these tires. Tires are in good shape and there's some good life left on them. This is the driver's side rear. Here is the passenger side rear. And here is the passenger side front. And let's take a look inside. This door in really nice shape. Standard controls with memory function right there. Let's get a look at this seat. Seat in real nice condition. No scuffs and no tears. Little bit of scratching right there from the seat belt. But those are just scratches, just surface stuff. See if we can get a look at the steering wheel and at the there we go. Sorry, I had the wheel locked. Get a look at the odometer right here. 187,367 miles. That's 187,367. Got a nice disc player, disc changer right here. Climate controls. Dual zone it looks like. Convenience outlet. Automatic transmission. And I wanted to show you in here. There's a convenience outlet and an auxiliary, in addition to a nice amount of storage space. Let's get a look at this pod. There we go. And we'll take a look at this sunroof. Got a nice shade, and it tips up and also goes all the way back. Works like a charm. Oh, and there's a sunglass holder right there. So let's go take a look at the passenger side. Take a look at the passenger side. Get a look at this door. Door in really nice shape. Get a look at this seat. Really nice. No scuffs or tears. The dashboard. No cracking. No marks. This passenger side rear door in nice shape. Let's get a look at these seats. Really nice. No scratches, no tears. And the middle. Very nice. Get a look at this driver's side rear door. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And the seat, no tears, no scuffs. And take a look at the cargo area. As you can see, there's some floor mats back here. All in all, in very nice shape. Let's hear what this vehicle sounds like. Let it warm up for just a few more seconds. Okay. Sounds nice and healthy. Let's go get a listen up close. Cylinder motor. Looks and sounds just like it should. And let's take a look at some things. Just minor cosmetic imperfections. See this scrape right here. Little imperfection right there. Another one right there. Some scratching along here. Little imperfection right there. These are all cosmetic though. Don't have any bearing on how the car operates. Some little dings right here. And there you have it. If you would like to learn more about this 2007 Ford Edge SEL, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.